to our video. Today we are going to begin with our book, that is Knowledge World, a course book for general knowledge, and this is a book for class 5 students by the Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with a new chapter, that is chapter number 3, Natural Resources and Plants. Now in this chapter they have asked you to identify the names of medicinal plants given over here, hidden in the provided word grid, and you will write their names in the space given below. Now they are saying that plants are incredibly beneficial to us, and certain plants they provide us with the medicinal properties. So in this we will look at the grid and take out the names of the various medicinal plants given over here. Let's begin with the first one, and the first is it acts as a germicide, and the answer for this question is neem, and here in the grid it is written over here. The next is provides relief from cough in chronic bronchitis and asthma, and the answer for this question is tulsi, and the answer is here. Then next we come to the third, treats malaria, and what is the answer for this? Cinchona. Cinchona is written over here. Some people also call it cinchona. The next, restores strength and vitality. So the answer is ginseng, and ginseng is written over here. Next we have produces drugs that strengthen the heart, and the answer is foxglove, Glove, foxglove. Then the sixth question, source of the painkiller called morphine, and the answer is poppy. The answer poppy is here in the power grid. The next, that is the seventh one, treats cold and cough, and the answer for this question is eucalyptus, here written over there in the grid. Then the eighth one is alleviates headaches, and the answer for this is cocoa. Cocoa written on the top of the grid. So this was all about the grid. The respective answers have been also given over here. You can also check the spellings from the help desk given below. So now on the next page we have a table given below, and it says about the natural resources. Now there are two types of resources, that is renewable and non-renewable resources. Let's have a quick look on the non-renewable resources. We have mineral resources like coal, gas and oil, and then there are inexhaustible and exhaustible renewable resources. The inexhaustible renewable resources are wind, sunlight and the geothermal resources, whereas exhaustible resources are water, soil and animal product. So this was all about the table. I hope you have understood and filled the respective details in the table. Well, thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.